Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your Epic Games account is active and the app or launcher is updated. Next, open Google Pay and add, or verify, your payment method with authentication enabled. This speeds purchases. Once done, make sure your billing address matches Epic's records and you have CVV ready. You need stable internet and location services enabled for security checks. These steps reduce declines and prepare you to initiate a purchase in Epic immediately. You select the game, pack, or V-Bucks and tap Buy or Checkout. Don't skip reviewing the item. Then pick Google Pay from the payment list. If it's not visible, choose Add Payment and select Google Pay. Once selected, confirm shipping and billing details match Google Pay's entries because mismatches cause declines. You will authenticate using fingerprint or PIN. Once authenticated, Epic will show a final total. Approve the charge only after confirming price, taxes, and currency. You complete the purchase and wait for the Epic confirmation screen plus an email receipt. This verifies success. If payment fails, check Google Pay recent activity, card expiration, daily limits, and that addresses exactly match Epic's billing info. Once you've corrected any mismatch, clear the Epic app cache or restart the device and try again. If issues persist, copy the order ID, contact Epic support, and provide Google Pay transaction details so they can reconcile the charge quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.